Welcome to our first remote section of the class, and I just wanted to go over quickly what you should be doing this week. I have it all posted here on the team. If you look under General, on the General tab, there's also 3 more hidden channels: Photo 1 and Photo 2, and questions. So if you show them all, then you can see your different assignments and posted in here as well. But under the General tab, I have the basic information. So the very first part that I want you guys to do, if you click on See More here, is I want you to set up your blog and or reuse an existing one, and you could be a website that you've created as well, and then send me the image. So if you go into your Photo 1, your very first remote section, favorite picture, it has your instructions right here. It has the questions that I want you to answer about your favorite photo, and it gives you the video on how to upload this blog. Please make sure that when you send me the link, you can send me that by email. It's a link that it's a public view, not the one that has edit in the name, because those are your private ones that you only can see. But I'm sure we'll figure that out pretty quickly. So that's the first straightforward one. The second assignment is the elements of design. So I have made a video explaining what to do for the elements of design here under the video explanation. So that goes over what parts you need to have in the video explanation, and it also has your images, your actual instructions. So we're looking for line, shape, texture, and pattern using the rule of thirds. So here are 5 pictures each of line, shape, texture, and pattern. So, and again, the video explanation is here. There's a how-to guide, and here's example projects. And again, you would post those on your blog and pick the best picture and answer the questions for the best picture. So if you look in here, this person did pattern and one little paragraph explaining the best picture for pattern, same thing, best picture for shapes. And here in lines, they actually answered it for a couple different ones. And here again, you can see they made the one picture of each of the elements designed bigger and put an explanation with it. Depending on how you do that on your blog, you can just post the images and just put the comments with your best one. So that's the elements of design imagery. And the last project for the week, for the remote part, is the trickery, and this is where, as I explained on Friday, where you would see if you can control your camera. So again, I've made a video in here on the video explanation in more detail, but again, you're trying to do 4 different things. You're zooming, you're using distortion by using angles in the camera and getting close to your subject, you're going macro, going very close, and then you're doing the one where you have the foreground, background in focus in sets of 2. And again, there's a longer explanation here under video explanation. So try to do those, post them all up on the website, and I mean on your website or your blog, and then share that with me so I can take a look and I'll get back to you. If you have questions in the on the Microsoft Teams site, post them in here, and then I will respond them. That way everybody can see the questions and answers, because I'm sure if you have a question, somebody else will as well. So good luck, and don't be shy to stop by during flex time as well, and I'm happy to help you. Have a great week.